Hey guys, what's up? So today, as you can see from the title of the video, it's gonna be an unboxing and it's very exciting for me today. I've been having this box for 2 days and I've been so excited to open it, but I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So I got myself a vlogging camera and I was gonna get between the Canon Mark II G7X or the Canon M50, which is the newer one. And the only thing that was like a deal breaker for me, and I went with the Canon G7X, was because of the size. Like the M50 had better like autofocus and more features, and it was mirrorless I think, and more better features than the G7X. But the reason why I went with this one was because of the size, and I heard this was a really good vlogging camera. Like I think like everybody in YouTube uses it. So yeah, I don't want to ramble or talk too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing with you guys. So I got mine from Best Buy. I think mine, it was like $6.99 because I got the creator kit, and this is how it looks, guys. How exciting! Yeah, this is how it looks from the this is how the box looks. So I got the creator kit, and from Best Buy, I believe it was $6.99 plus tax. I'm sure on Amazon I've seen that there's a lot of deals on there as well. I think maybe they range about the same, and they have like more stuff. This one, so let's open it together, guys. How exciting. You don't know how hard it was having this box here for 2 days and not opening it. I wanted to do it with you guys, so if I can get it open, that would be great. So yeah, the one I'm filming on right now is the Canon T7i, and it's great. I love it. I love the quality and everything, but when it comes to like me actually taking it out and vlogging with it, it's huge. So here it is, guys. Here's what the inside looks like. And the creator kit came with a couple of things. So it came with ultra 32 gig disc, SD card. It also came with a tripod, the Manfrotto tripod. And this was like, well, not exciting, but this is why I got this creator kit, because it came with an extra battery. And the extra battery alone, if you were to buy it somewhere else, it would be like $50. So this kit was $50 more, and I got like 3 things as well. And then also from Amazon, I ordered the Ultra Protection Screen Protector. And it comes with 3, and I think it was like $7.99 or something. I'll link everything down below. And I also got the 3-pack of furries, like the muffler, I don't know what it's called, so you won't hear that muffled sound on the camera, because I heard that's the problem with this G7X. When you go outside and there's wind, you can hear it. And here's the camera, guys. Okay, so yeah, it just comes with the manual instructions. Here's the camera. Let's see. So it comes with the battery charger, and then the battery that it comes with. What else? And like a wristband to put on the camera. And here is my camera. So it just comes in this plastic thing. And here is the camera, guys. Wow, it has like a weight to it. It's not like super light. So here it is, guys. Let's do this, or I could become an official vlogger, guys. So I want to go ahead and do some tests with you guys. like how it looks, like change from the T7i to this one. So I think I'll do that. Let me just see. This is awesome. Let me just see if the battery, why not, if it has like a little bit of charge at least, because I know I need to charge it before. So let me go ahead and see if I could put it in. Hey guys, so wow, it focuses pretty quick. Cool. And I'm looking at the top. So hey guys, here's a comparison now filming with the G7X, my new vlogging camera. I love it. Wow, I am so far in love. It's like super clear, guys. It's super clear. The quality and the image quality on this is awesome. Autofocus is cool. And I'm loving it. Bye guys.